Hello, dear children. Let's begin poem number 8, Meadow Surprise. Okay, we have already done with Fire, Friend, and Foo. Now, let's complete the poem Meadow Surprise. Later, I'll provide you the answer key. Okay, so just have a look at the topic. It is poem number 8, and let's discuss the introductory part of the poem. Walk across a green field, a park, or even under a clump of trees, and you will notice many wonderful things. What are some of the surprises a meadow has for someone with a keen eye and a sharp ear? Now, here the question is so beautiful. It is told you that you just look at a meadow. What do you understand by the word meadow? Meadow is a grassland and it is full of plant. It is a free space. Okay, it's a free land full of grass and different beautiful plants, and some creatures also stay there. And there is no human interference on on such kind of land. That particular land is known as meadow, which looks so beautiful. Okay, so what do you see when you just observe a meadow with keen eyes? Keen eyes means with curiosity. आप एकदम एक्साइटमेंट और फीलिंग के साथ कुछ जानने के मकसद से यहाँ वहाँ जब देखते हो मीडो में तो आपको क्या दिखता है? सो दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन. फाइन. So let's have a look at the poet. It is written by the poet is Lois Brandt Phillips. Okay. Now just discuss the synonyms and antonyms. Okay. First word is brook. Brook means a small flow of water. मतलब पानी जो बहता रहता है छोटा सा एक बहाव होता है. The stream of the water. Okay. Snow or land will be its antonym. Brook means पानी जो पतली सी धार बहती है पानी की जो. Okay. Nectar means sugar rich liquid in plants, means a kind of liquid which is sweet in taste. It is in the plants. Okay. Hops means jump on one leg, that is known as hopping. Stand will be its antonym. Fuzzy means unclear. Clear with is its antonym. Airy means full of air. Vacuum means without air. Meadow means field. फील्ड भी बोल सकते हैं इसे हम लोग. मीन्स ग्रास लैंड, ऐसा खुला हुआ मैदान. ड्राई लैंड और डेजर्ट विल बी इट्स एंटोनिम. सरप्राइज मीन्स एस्टोनिशमेंट. इट्स एंटोनिम विल बी रिलैक्सेशन. बीनीथ मीन्स टू अ लोअर पोजिशन, मतलब किसी भी लेयर के ठीक नीचे वाला एरिया में कोई चीज़ रखी है, दैट इज नोन एज बीनीथ. ओके. एंड अपॉन मीन्स उसके ऊपर. ओके. सो लेट्स बिगिन विथ द एक्सप्लेनेशन. Okay, meadow surprises. Let's have a look at stanza number 1. Just let's read it twice. Meadows have surprises, you can find them in your book. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. Okay, so let's read it once again. Meadows have surprises, you can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. Now just look at this beauty of the nature. Meadows have surprises, मतलब बोलने का मतलब ये है कि it is full of astonishment. मीडोज में बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेज है अपने लिए. यू कैन फाइंड देम इफ़ यू लुक. अब बस ध्यान से देखो आप उन्हें उसे. यू विल फाइंड सेवरल गुड थिंग्स इन इट. वॉक सॉफ्टली थ्रू द वेलवेट ग्रास मीन्स जस्ट वॉक सॉफ्टली फ्रॉम द वेलवेट ग्रास. सो ग्रास इज कंपेयर्ड विथ वेलवेट. वेलवेट जो सॉफ्ट क्लॉथ होता है एक. सो you just feel the softness of the grass and walk slowly on it and listen by the brook. Brook means a water stream, as you can see this brook here, small water stream. और उसे सुनो, उस पानी की आवाज़ को सुनो. You can see beauty of the nature everywhere. Okay, now let's discuss stanza number 2. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup but and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. Just read it once again. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its drinking straws to sip the nectar up. So now just look at this beauty of the nature once again. You may see a butterfly. दिख रहा है आपको फोटो में. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup. Buttercup means it's kind of flower. Buttercup एक तरह का flower का नाम है. उस पर बैठी है कौन? Who is sitting on that? A butterfly. And unfold its drinking straws. And the butterfly is unfolding its drinking straws. उन्हें उनके ज़बान में drinking straw लगा हुआ था. And the butterfly is just unfolding it, means बाहर निकाल रही है मुंह से. टू सिप द नेक्टर अप. किस चीज़ के लिए वो बाहर निकाल रही है अपना एक ड्रिंकिंग स्ट्रॉ? टू सिप द नेक्टर अप. उसमें कुछ नेक्टर होता है. नेक्टर मीन्स अ काइंड ऑफ लिक्विड. nectar. Nectar means it's a sweet liquid which is in the especially in the plants and the flowers. ठीक है, तो उसे हम नेक्टर बोलते हैं. So what we have done here so far, we have completed two stanzas of the poem, and the poem is quite simple. Poem is quite easy to understand, and it is beautiful also. It is full of beauty. As you can see, the picture itself describes the beauty of nature, right? So, and the poem also has different words which are new for you, which are already discussed in the video itself. So this is how you learn more from the poem. Maybe the topic of the poem is quite simple, be it is full of beauty also, but look at the use of words. Okay, just look at the use of words. Okay, just look at the use of words and you will feel the importance of it. Okay, you'll feel the beauty of it. Okay, just this is just a picture. ये क्या है, एक तरह का बस पिक्चर ही है. बट व्हेन यू सी द रियल मिडोज, यू व्हेन यू गो टू अ पिकनिक स्पॉट, आपको वहाँ पे ढेर सारे मिडोज मिल जाएंगे. जस्ट ऑब्जर्व देम एंड एंजॉय. ओके, विल कंटिन्यू द पोम इन माय नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू, टेक केयर.